Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ACER Iconia P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and it is available right here. So keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we have to go back to this left section and tap on the system. Scroll down to the very bottom and find developer options. Let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can perform a background check. Here we've got some options which are connected with overall the networking. We've got NFC, Bluetooth, etc. And basically to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options. So for example, window animation scale. So to turn off the developer option, simply tap on the switcher which is on this highlighted background. Just tap on it and your device needs to be restarted, so just tap on restart and then the developer options will disappear from the system settings. I don't want to do that. And of course, if the developer options will disappear, you can customize them again just by activating them and by using the build number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.